It feels great to be back at Made in Brunel. I was here 8 years ago, exhibiting my own designs that I'd done in my final year. It was a really good experience for me because I got to meet lots of people from industry. And so I'm quite honoured now to be back as a designer from industry, running my own company, Bubblegum Stuff, and looking at the students' work from this year.
It's a showcase that we attract, maybe 2,000 industry people to every year. It's something that people look forward to. When you walk around a show like Made in Brunel, you see so many projects that are collaborative projects where the companies come to us with a project idea, students compete for those projects, and then they work with that client for the rest of the year. So I think that industry-led curriculum is really relevant and makes them very employable at the end of the year when they graduate.
I love Brunel because it's got really good placement opportunities.
For my placement, I worked at Therefore Product Design, which is a design consultancy in Soho. They do a lot of consumer electronics, some packaging design, but a real variety of things from a real variety of big clients.
The placement is one of the greatest value-adding things that happens in their educational journey that we don't give them. Obviously we have a lot of companies that we work very closely with, and placements is one of the things that comes out of those sort of collaborations. What it does is it gives them a really strong sense of how industry works and what industry is looking for.
So for my placement, I was at the Walt Disney Company and I was working on plastic products, mainly toys for the Marvel and the Star Wars and the Pixar franchises, and I loved it. Every day was so fun. It actually got me a job there for the summer after. I moved to the infant and preschool team, and I worked on baby products and more of the classic franchises like Winnie the Pooh and Mickey and Minnie.
A year on since graduating, I'm now a graduate design engineer at Dyson, so I work on a number of projects came within their research design development division. I did my placement year at Dyson and was offered a job after uni. You can almost tell the students that have gone on placement and those that haven't in the depth of thinking. I think it's an excellent chance to get real world experience, and also an excellent chance to perhaps look at doing things that you may not otherwise interest you, because you have a year to decide whether they will and whether it's something you want to take further.
I love Brunel because I spent 4 of the best years of my life here and I wouldn't change it.
I love Brunel because it offers everything I wanted within a university, and I've really enjoyed my time here.
I chose to go to Brunel as I knew it was one of the best design schools in the country. Before attending, I visited on a campus day, really enjoyed looking around, thought the course looked great. I'm also from Essex as well, so it meant it wasn't too far for me to take my washing home at the weekend.